Avocado and its health benefits. Here are the top amazing benefits of avocado at a glance. Great for your heart health, nutritious. Avocado is rich in potassium than banana, contains healthy fats, great for digestion, help in cholesterol and sugar control, help in skin growth, great detoxifier, keep your eyes healthy and clear, excellent for healthy hair growth, helps in weight loss. Before we go deep, welcome to Elegant Ray's YouTube channel. Well, avocados are often thought of as a delicious topping to be added to tacos or sandwiches, but they have so much more to offer than their creamy texture. In fact, there are many health benefits of avocado that make them an essential part of your diet, especially if you are looking to boost your heart health, strengthen your bones, or increase your energy levels. Here are the top amazing benefits of avocado. Nutritious. Because they are so rich in vitamins and minerals, avocados are highly nourishing. They are rich in fiber, which is vital for maintaining normal digestion. They also contain fat-soluble vitamins A and E, as well as beta-carotene and phytosterols, which may help reduce cholesterol levels. These are in charge of maintaining a normal metabolism and nerve energy. They provide dietary fiber for good digestive health as well. It also has a lot of oleic acid and magnesium, both of which are crucial for producing energy. Avocados are an excellent source of potassium, that is 14% of the recommended daily intake, and low in sodium as 4%. So, they can be eaten regularly without worrying about overloading your system with salt. Helps in weight loss. One of the most important benefits of avocado is that it helps you lose weight. This product helps you burn more calories than normal and enjoy the feeling of being lighter on your feet. You can also get rid of excess water in your body by using this product regularly. Half of a medium-sized avocado, which has a smooth and creamy texture, contains 6 to 7 fiber grams. Its high fiber content makes it an easy weight reduction diet because it might make you feel satisfied more quickly and for longer. Great for your heart health. Avocados are generally known to improve your health. Avocados are a great source of heart-healthy monounsaturated fat. They are also an excellent source of vitamin E, which helps keep your arteries healthy and reduces the risk of cardiovascular disease. Avocados contain potassium and fiber, both of which can help prevent high blood pressure. Avocados may also help lower cholesterol levels. In one study, people who consumed more than 3 ounces, that is 85 grams of avocado per day, had significantly lower levels of total cholesterol and LDL cholesterol compared to those who ate 1 ounce, that is 30 grams or less per day. Avocados help in skin growth. Avocados are a great source of healthy fats. which have to keep your skin looking young and radiant. The monounsaturated fat in avocados helps to protect your skin from the damaging effects of free radicals that can cause premature aging. Free radicals attack the fatty acids in your body, causing them to become oxidized. The oxidation process can lead to damage in cells and an increase in wrinkles and other signs of premature aging. It can be used to the face as a mask to nourish and hydrate the skin. As an alternative, honey can be used to provide softness. Help in cholesterol and sugar control. Because they contain less sugar, avocados are healthy for diabetics. Avocados' high fiber content slows down the bloodstream's absorption of sugar and prevents a surge in blood sugar levels. The avocado fruit's capacity to lower blood cholesterol levels is one of its most significant advantages. It contains monounsaturated oleic acid, that is omega-9 fatty acid, which has been shown in studies to lower LDL cholesterol by as much as 10%. One study also found that eating one avocado every week can help reduce your risk of heart disease by 15%. Avocados contain phytosterols, which can help lower cholesterol levels in the blood. They furthermore contain plant sterols, also known as phytosterols, which have been found to reduce levels of LDL, that is terrible cholesterol, and raise levels of HDL, which is excellent cholesterol in the blood, preventing the development of plaque in arteries. Keep your eyes healthy and clear. If you have problems with your eyesight or suffering from dry eye syndrome, then you should consider eating an avocado every day. Carotenoids found in avocados can prevent macular degeneration and cataracts. Avocados also contain lutein, which studies show can reduce AMD symptoms by at least 50%. They are also high in potassium, which helps keep eyes healthy, especially when combined with a diet rich in fruits and vegetables. Excellent for healthy hair growth. Avocado is packed with nutrients that promote healthy hair growth. The amino acid L-arginine is found in avocado, which helps to maintain the integrity of blood vessels and reduces inflammation. This nutrient also helps to improve blood flow to hair follicles. Avocado contains a compound called persin, which has been shown to be an effective anti-inflammatory agent for hair growth. Avocado is rich in potassium, magnesium, manganese, and vitamin B6, all of which contribute to healthy hair growth. Avocado contains healthy fats. Do not be afraid of avocado fat. It is necessary for your body's well-being. 3.5 gram of unsaturated fat, the kind of fat we want, aids in enhancing muscle repair. Avocado improves the health of your skin and hair by combating dryness and rashes. Avocado has monounsaturated fat, the same kind of lipid that may be present in olive oil. Monounsaturated fats are preferred to saturated fats since they are thought to be healthier. Great for digestion. Avocados are a fruit high in B6 vitamin, potassium, and fiber. Antioxidants and phytosterols flourish in it as well. The avocado fruit is great for your digestive system as it contains probiotics that improve your digestive function. The avocado fruit helps to cleanse your body of toxins by removing them from the intestines and liver. It also keeps harmful bacteria away from the colon and prevents infections caused by bacteria that can cause cramping, pain, and bloating. Avocado is a great detoxifier. Avocado fruit is a wonderful detox food because it contains healthy fats that help your body to cleanse itself of toxins. There are many reasons why we need to detox our bodies, but the most common reason is that we don't give our bodies what they need to help them function properly. Avocados are an excellent detox food since they are a safe, inexpensive way to remove toxins from your body without having to fast. Avocado is rich in potassium than banana. Avocado contains more potassium than banana. The potassium content of a banana is about 200 mg per 100 gram, whereas that of an avocado is about 300 mg per 100 gram. That is why you can enjoy the benefits of an avocado even if you do not want to consume too much fruit. One of the nutrients that most people don't get enough in their diet is potassium. This nutrient is helpful for many crucial body processes in addition to maintaining electrical gradients in your body cells. Avocados are a super popular food among health conscious people as it is fully packed with nutrients, fiber, potassium and a lot more vitamins which are required for our body for a healthy lifestyle. So, let's not wait further and add this amazing fruit to our diet and enjoy its benefits. Now, it's time to leave a comment below. Which point did you like the most?